If you're currently having the issues, we're unable to handle your request at this time in Rockstar, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. You want to ensure that your computer is showing the correct timing. And so if you're having issues with timing on your PC, I recommend that you check that first, right? So you can go ahead and right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and you can go into the settings right here. And on the left side, you want to click on time and language. Go ahead and click on the date and time. And you can already see from the top here if you're currently using correct country, region, and time. So from here, you want to go ahead and either set your time manually or you can go ahead and sync your time. So how do you do that? If you want to set your time manually, you can go ahead and just turn off the set time right here, expand it, change, and set your time and date manually. However, if you have active internet connections within this process, you can go ahead and you can sync your time as well. So you would just leave this to automatic, ensure that it's going to sync automatically. And of course, if you also have problem with time zone, you can also manually change and set your time zone as well, if just in case you're having problems. So there's two ways you can sync it automatically once you have active internet connection. This is going to ensure that it detects as well your location, the time, and sync it for you. Or if you don't, you can easily change these manually by turning off each of these, and you can go ahead and basically set them yourself. So as you can see right here, if I turn this off, I can set it manually myself, and the same goes for the time. I can change it myself. No, this is one thing that you can do to try to see if you can fix a problem. Now, if this does not work, let's say you have VPN turned on and the VPN could be on your computer itself. If your VPN turned on, let's say you're using NordVPN or whichever VPN you're using, go ahead and turn off the VPN, right? Because that could be conflicting and causing the problem. Another thing, let's say you're using a Brave browser. You know that the Brave browser also have VPN inside as well. So let me go ahead and open up a new tab right here so that you can see the Brave browser also have VPN as well inside. So if you're using a Brave VPN, for example, as you can see on the upper right hand side, this is just in case you're using this, right? It does not necessarily mean that you are, if it's on. If you don't have Brave browser, then no worries, but just in case you're a Brave browser user and you have VPN, you can ensure that this is turned off as well, right? And likewise, if you're using a other browser and for example Google Chrome and you have some VPN connected to it as well, you want to ensure that you turn off your VPN. Or if you're using a VPN such as NordVPN or whichever VPN on your PC, turn this off, and then you want to go ahead and try again. So your VPN must be off, your time and date and your time zone, it must be in sync as well to ensure that this is solved. Now, finally, I want to share with you one more tip that you can do to fix this problem. You want to go ahead and open up your account of the Rockstar Games, and as you can see, I'm in Rockstar Games. So you sign into your account, click your profile on the upper right hand side, then click on account, then click on settings. Under the settings section, you want to go ahead and ensure that you click on where it shows linked account at the top. So click on linked account, and if you have your account linked here, just simple unlink it and you can link it again. Even better, simple unlink it first and you can try all of those steps that I showed you before. Sign out of your account, sign back in, link your account, and try again. These things literally help to ensure that your account is in sync. And of course, you want to go ahead and ensure that these are set. And I want to also mention to you, if you, for example, change a location or whatever it is, ensure that your PC location or your PC country and region is also in sync with your Rockstar game account, because conflicting locations can cause. So if your computer location, as I showed you under time and date, I'm going to go right back into the settings here and show you something. Let's say under my country and region right here, it is show or my time. Let me just go back, date and time. As you can see right here, as it says time zone sync normally or sync automatically. If I turn this off and let's say my time zone is showing a different time zone, the UTC is currently fine, because here you can see in this list right here Prague, and Prague is in Czech Republic. So this will work for me and this will be fine. But let's say your computer is showing a different time zone, but on your account it is showing a different country. You want to come here and change this to the location. So let's say I created my account and this was showing country and region America for United States, but yet I am in the Europe right now in Czech Republic and it's showing that I'm in Prague time zone. Then there's some confliction there. So you want to ensure that you change both, ensure that they're in sync. And once you change them, save, and this should in fact fix the problem for you. So guys, go ahead and try these things. These things can really help you to fix the problem that you're experiencing with your Rockstar Games account. If you're seeing we're unable to handle your requests at this time, ensure that these are synced, ensure that your time on your time zone is synced properly, and of course turn off any VPN. Or if you're using a VPN, you can ensure that the region of the VPN that you're connected to is also synced. So if you are currently in the United States and you have a time zone and you're connected to a VPN for a different region, then ensure that it's also synced with your country as well. So these are the things, they must be aligned in order for this to work. So I really hope you found this useful, guys, and I really hope one of these steps will help you to solve this problem. And if it does, I'm really happy for that. If not, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to find a way to help you with this. Just tell me your problem, what you're currently facing. Any of these steps still didn't work and you're still having issues, let me know. If it does work, I appreciate the feedback to know that it's helpful. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys being here and looking forward to see you in the next video. And guys, if you're not yet, subscribe. I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button so that I know that you find value within this channel and the content here. Thank you guys, and looking forward to see you when I release my next video.